Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to turn on notifications for mentions in your bio on the Instagram app using your PC, especially with the latest update. If you've been missing important mentions or just want to stay updated whenever someone includes you in their bio, this setting is definitely worth enabling. The process is simple and you'll have it done in less than a minute. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings without any issues. Once you're inside the app, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see the three-line menu icon. Click on those three lines to open up the main menu options. From there, select Settings. This is where all your account controls and preferences are located. Inside Settings, find and click on Notifications. This section allows you to customize exactly what alerts you receive and how often you get them. Next, click on Push Notifications. This will open up a detailed list of notification types that you can manage individually. Now scroll until you find the option labeled Mentions in Bio. Under this section, you'll see a few choices for how you want to receive notifications. To make sure you never miss a mention, select from Everyone.